Okay, everyone, I want to make a me or instant noodle in a cup, and I want to add it with chili sauce too. And okay, for the first is uh, open the sachet of the me curry with the flavor uh, chicken curry, chicken curry, and I open the sachet and I want to throw it into the garbage bin. And okay, but first you need the what is it, like a pan, I think it's pan. So pour the water into the pan. Maybe it's about 2 cup of water or 3 cup of water, and be careful, and then you can turn on the stove with the medium heat. It's up to you if you want to make the noodle is quickly. Just turn on the stove with the high temperature when you want to go somewhere and chilling, and you can go to like to do another chores, and you can turn on the stove with the low temperature, and will the the noodle will cook long enough maybe. And you can open this cup of noodle and you can get the pork from the cup noodle, and there's the seasoning too in here, because this is the soap version, so you can put the flavor before the water. You can add it in here, and this is the oil, and like maybe correct, I don't know. Let's pour into the cup of noodle, because in it the scissor is broken. I use my teeth for open the, the seasoning. Okay, don't forget to trace it into the garbage bin. And the next I can add the chili sauce into the cup of noodle. Oh, it's hard. I want to open it with the knife, but the knife is also not as sharp. It's an no. Maybe I will better use my teeth again. Okay. I'll zoom the noodle here. You can see in here, this is the cup of noodle, the product of Indomie. The flavor is curry, chicken curry. As you can see in here, this is the tutorial how to make the me noodle. The first is open several of the like this plastic, and pour the seasoning. Mix the dry vegetable, chili pepper, and seasoning oil, and pour the hot water about 315 cc and enough water. Actually it's up to you if you want to make the flavor is very flavoring. You can uh, put the put the water is more is not with the with a little, maybe a little water. So and after that you can close this plastic and you can wait around 3 minutes, and after that you can mix it with the fork that we already have in here, or just with a spoon, and it's already to be served, and you can eat it. And the water is already boiling here. I use the medium temperature here, so you can pour the first you can turn off the stove and pour the water into a cup of noodle. Because I like the water, so I add it until like that, like here. And you can, like I already said before, you can close this plastic uh, with a plate like this and wait until 3 minutes, and after that I will pour the chili sauce into a cup of noodle. Wait a minute, the water is poured into a floor, so I must clean it with a mop. Okay, what we are going to do is just waiting it for 3 minutes, I think. Okay, let's wait until it's 3 minutes. Oh, I want to show my face too, maybe, but it's very like it's so bright when it's dark and the flashlight is forward to you like this. It's very it's not comfortable. Okay, let's wait. I don't know what I want to do. Actually, if you want to a little bit more flavoring, you can add like salt or the chicken seasoning too. Or you want to add sugar. Sugar, it's preferred to you. After that, don't forget to cleaning the dishes. But because it's a foamy, it's very simple and easy to bring anywhere you go. Like you want to camping, you can bring the poppy noodle because it's very easy to make and easy to eat too. Okay, and just need boiling water to make the noodle is cooked. So what I want to do next, maybe don't look before it's 3 minutes. This the look of the look of the cup is very looks like delicious, right? But it's fake. It's fake. There's no chicken in there. There's not a tomato, and there's not an egg too. It's just a flavor, not a topping like this, like in the sachet of the cup of noodle. So let's play it again. What I want talking with you guys. Oh, this is the pan that I used to boil the water. This is the garbage bin. No, it's actually not good basement. It trash plus trash trash bag. Okay, maybe it's already 3 minutes. You can open the cup. You can stir it with your fork like this, and it's it's already to be served. Oh, don't forget, I want to pour this chili sauce into the cup of noodle. So I place this my phone in here. Annoying. You can open with your teeth if you don't have a sharp knife or scissors like this. Okay, no. The gods already give us a tool. You can pour the chili sauce in here. I add 1 sachet of chili sauce, and you can pour it again, and it's already to be eaten. It's already to be served. Okay guys, there's the tutorial how to make instant cup noodle. It's so easy, so you can make it in your home. You can make it by yourself. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys.